During the summer, your skin can get really dehydrated and dry and damaged. So in today's skincare routine, I'm going to share some products with you guys that can help you have beautifully refreshed skin. So we're starting off with the Beauty of Joseon Green Plum Cleanser. It's a gel cleanser which makes like mild bubbles like you can see on the face. It's a low pH cleanser which balances out your skin. It also helps to reduce the sebum levels and remove dead skin cells whilst balancing the water levels in your skin. It leaves your skin feeling really soft and hydrated. I've actually almost finished my tube now because I've pretty much been using it day and night as part of my skincare routine because it has been so hot in London. As you can see, my skin looks lovely and soft. Obviously, we have to move on to a toner. This is the Pyunkang Calming Deep Moisture Toner. So obviously it is very moisturizing. It's slightly heavier in texture. I use this generally at night time. It contains AHAs and PHAs for smoother skin, for controlling excess sebum. It's a mild exfoliator. It also contains 5 types of centella extract for soothing and calming the skin, and it absorbs super fast. Next up, I'm using the Manyo Galactomy Essence Mist. So it's an essence that comes in a spray form. I'm spraying it on my hands, but obviously you can spray it directly onto your face as well. It's actually thicker than water as it contains glucose, which is more moisturizing for your skin. It also contains niacinamide for brightening, pore care, texture, and galactomyces is actually used for reducing sebum, brightening your skin. It helps with acne as well, and again you can see it absorbs really nicely into the skin and leaves it refreshed. Obviously we have to use a sheet mask. This is the Abib Gummy sheet mask. It's called Gummy because it proper sticks to your face. It's a very refreshing sheet mask. It's made with microfiber if anyone's interested. It contains a centella, Houtunia cordata extract, which is basically the Heartleaf, and it helps to reduce inflammation, control sebum. This is a really cooling mask. I actually put it in the fridge before I used it in this video, and it soothes inflamed skin. It's also great for acne prone skin as it contains a centella. So obviously you remove it after 15 minutes. You can see there is so much product on my face. My face feels great, it's refreshed, but obviously this now has to absorb, and because there is so much product, I actually use it all over my neck, my arms, yet there was still so much excess product, and there's no point of wasting it because obviously sheet masks aren't reusable in that kind of way. So I cheat, as I always do, and take out my handheld fan, try to look like a Bollywood actress with my hair blowing in the wind, and just wait for it to absorb. And now you can see my skin looks so hydrated and lovely. Finally, we have to use a moisturizer. This is by the brand called SKINFOOD, one of my favorite Korean brands. This is the Carotene Relief Cream. Very lightweight in texture, absorbs super fast. You can use it in the daytime or the night time, and it comes with a little spatula, and as you can see it's not very thick at all. It's very calming and hydrating and refreshing for the skin. Carrot root extract is from Jeju Island, which is a little island next to mainland Korea, and it repairs the damage to your skin's barrier, helps anti-aging, supports healthier, more youthful looking skin. So it's a great moisturizer for everybody to use. So no matter what your skin type is like, you can use this. I tend to use this at night time as well as in the daytime. It just depends on my mood. I've got normal to combination skin, and this entire routine works really nicely for me. It's not too complicated. Obviously I gave myself a nice little head massage right at the end because I was actually just getting myself ready for bed. Here you can see my skin up close. It's not perfect, but you know what, it gets better every time I use these products, not gonna lie. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.